Are you done climbing back there?
You okay, Parrot?
All right, fellow Vikings, welcome back. This time, we got another package. See? Do you want to open it?
You get to open it. I always open them.
Okay, so Cheyenne's here to help us open up a package that a subscriber sent to us, as like to me and my family is what he said. Right? I've been talking to this guy a while. You'll see him down in the comments, guaranteed. Pablo is awesome. So if anyone sees Pablo, you have to say Pablo is awesome. Yeah, we actually email back and forth for a while now, or the last few days, and even when I'm driving across the freaking state to go and take Dad to the hospital. Oh yeah, we went to Springfield the other day to take Dad to the hospital.
Oh, we got really good Korean food.
Yeah, but now they're wondering why Dad went to the hospital. Don't worry.
He's not dead.
He's old. He's just going deaf. We don't know why. He's just randomly went deaf.
It's because he's old.
No, you don't just randomly go deaf.
When it's your dad, yeah, you do.
Yeah, that's true.
Are you having fun?
Well, this is really weird because, I'm doing it upside down so I didn't show his address. Rip open the box.
Yeah,
destroy the box. Just go Viking on it. Okay, it's open.
Are you serious? You almost elbowed me.
Yeah, but I mangled the box right, see? Okay, where do you want to start? Well, this is the bottom, so just pick something.
This.
Pablo, you really outdid yourself with the whole wrapping of like literally everything is bubble wrapped.
This is something that we would do for Christmas, except for bubble wrap, it's just a bunch of layers of duct tape.
Duct tape, boxes, crates.
Yeah, you would know all about that.
Oh, speaking of which, we do have a, what is that video called? It's her, like 5 years ago, unwrapping Christmas presents. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link that.
No.
It's the card.
I got the card.
Of course, here. Open it up. You might need this. See, he's packing tape, so let him use this. Okay, just rip it up.
You got to rip up the box. Why can't I rip up the card?
Because maybe I wanted to keep the card holder.
You can still keep it. It's not all that mangled. It's still, see? Oh, the mango. It's so real.
Okay, you go ahead and read that while I look at the cool stuff. Go ahead and read it. Go ahead and show them. That is actually a great card. I don't know if you can see that. You are the greatest. Yeah, she loves things that are really punny.
That was good.
The cheesier the better,
I
right?
got a headache.
Okay. Okay, so one of the first things he sent is this multi-bit set. That's pretty cool. This one came in really handy just a couple days ago. When I was working on the car. Speaking of the car, we're gonna have to get new calipers. I completely broke them. You can read it out loud. He said it's okay. Oh, are you gonna cry? Are you gonna cry? Read it out loud.
You read better.
No, you read better.
You spelled Dolly's name wrong.
You're the only one who spells it like the Dalai Lama.
I know.
Go ahead and read the card to them.
You read it!
Is it in cursive or something? Yeah, that's a problem.
Sort of. Yes and no. Bits of it is.
Okay. It says, I just wanted to say thank you, Richard and Cheyenne, and your dad for sharing sharing your videos. This is just something small. I hope you like it. this box, it's not about the gifts, it's about recognition and acknowledging them, but most of all appreciative, and I appreciate all of you.
There is no and there.
Yeah, the comma implies it.
You know what happens when you assume things? It's the same as imply. Anyways, keep reading.
You said that backwards.
Oh.
Thanks to you and all your family, your animals, yes, including Ghost and Dolly, yours truly, Pablo. Pablo, you're awesome, bro.
Thank you very much.
You need to put this with the other cards.
So they don't get lost?
Yes.
Okay. Dolph, you need to move.
So the
Dolph, you need to move.
down dog. Down. So the wreath that we got, we were given, has become the card wreath, and whenever we get a new card from a subscriber or from a close friend and all that we don't actually physically know, we end up putting it in there. So now there's 2, and I'll go ahead and post a picture of that on our Facebook page. So yeah, but yeah, we've been adding the cards to it so that like we can just look up there and remember how.
That's mine. It's green.
It's not yours.
It's mine. It's green.
It's not yours.
It's mine. It's green.
You don't get to take it because I need this more than you do.
But I get to put my name on it.
You want to help me rip into this?
Something's moving around in here. Sorry.
Open it.
Okay.
I flipped it over so it'd be more right side up. Where'd that knife go? Hey!
Ooh. Silverware. Hey, they all match!
It's a 20-piece set.
Oh my god, it's so much silverware.
That's a lot of silverware.
Let's hope I don't lose the forks.
She has a habit of doing that.
There's only the forks!
Yep.
It's weird.
Well, so what happens is she takes it outside and eats something and sets it down. I found multiple forks over where she sits outside next to the pond. Yeah. Word. No, I'm gonna open that one because you're gonna try and take it because it's green.
I would do never such things. They wouldn't even fit me.
Yeah, these wouldn't fit you. So there you go. See, they fit me.
Well, let's do it this way. They would fit me now.
Let's see. Still too big. Thanks.
That's worth a shot.
Gloves are awesome. And it's just perfect timing too because I just worked another hole into one of my.
You're really good at doing that.
Yeah.
We need a U-proof glove. I don't know. I'm still opening it.
Those ones were my leather Carhartt gloves, and I've been using them for like the last 2 years. So yeah.
It's a shirt for you.
It fits me? Does it?
Yeah. Or for your dad if you don't want it. I like that.
That is so cool.
I like that.
That is so cool. That is way cool.
Okay, here's the last one.
Oh, I can open the last one. Is there the knife? Where's the knife?
I have no clue.
I don't know. I lost the knife. We're gonna get stabbed. It's gonna happen. We're gonna get stabbed.
So I get to get up first. What is that?
It's a wireless speaker.
Oh, cool! I get this. Ow!
You just got cut. Hold on. What's that blue thing right there?
You just got really excited about me getting cut. That blue thing's not mine. I'm just long-term borrowing it.
Exactly. So you have one for while you're at the shop and all that, and I can go in and use this here.
But I think this one goes pretty.
Goes pretty? Oh,
yeah.
Because it's got stuff glowing in the background. Because it's color changing.
Oh God! See, it goes pretty.
It goes pretty. Okay, then when you come home, right, you can go ahead and look at it.
Can I use it? Do I just,
Yeah.
just sit there and just
No.
stare
Well,
at it like a weirdo?
You can't look at it.
You're making me creep on a speaker.
Yeah, creep on it. Creep away.
Do I get to sing Creep to it?
Yes, that is a good song.
Yeah, I know.
If you guys know who wrote Creep, right? The original version of Creep, because it's been redone all hippity hoppity, and that version's crap. But if you guys know the original version of Creep, post down below.
Sorry.
Hey, now I can listen to my podcasts and like be happy while I'm cutting wood. What are you talking about? You're like not here when I do that.
You could also listen to them if you didn't break your beanie.
I didn't break my beanie. The dog crunched it.
You're the one that brought the dog home. You broke the beanie. My logic isn't fallible.
Hold on. That is a fallacy. What fallacy is that, Shy? You're grounded.
The Hoctor-Proc one? Am I wrong?
The Hoctor-Proc one?
Ergo Hoctor.
Post hoc, ergo proctor hoc. Because of this, therefore this.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're speaking Latin. This channel just got like 1,000,000 times more smart. Whoa!
I'm on this channel. No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
So let's see if that fits. Okay. Because this happened. Well, they may not actually have a correlation. Is that in alignment with what you said about me bringing the dog home, right? Meaning he broke my thing, meaning I broke the thing?
I'm confused.
Okay. If you think she's right about it being the post hoc, ergo proctor hoc,
I'm not right.
Fallacy,
I'm not right.
Post down below.
I'm not right.
Hey, we're gonna whore out the channel a little bit here. Hey, like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, you whore! That was so worth it.
We are like 30-something away from making money again, and I just looked at our AdSense account, and according to the AdSense account, we're at $75 on there, and for us to get a payout, it has to be at least $100. So the quicker we get to that 1,000, the quicker we can get that $100. Now I'm gonna throw that $100 at Bitcoin. What?
I was thinking another goat.
Another goat?
Yeah.
Well, I was thinking that Bitcoin's in a real downturn right now. Like, it's really dipping low again. And you have the large financial institutions like buying into it right now. They're setting up their branches, and even Chase is doing it right now, right? They're setting up their branches to be able to actually buy and sell Bitcoin. So it's going more mainstream. Right? Now, if only 10% of the population started hopping onto it, that would literally make like one Bitcoin worth a crap ton of money. So if you throw just a little tiny bit into Bitcoin right now, right, then it will boost up drastically.
Or
I'm not a nerd, okay?
Or and now just hear me out. You can buy a really pretty goat and have her make really pretty babies for a really long time. Goat.
Hold on.
Goat Bitcoin.
We're barely able to feed all of our goats now. Get more goats and not be able to feed any of them.
I'm still going for the goat.
Okay. So if
this is
hold
why
on.
I don't make decisions.
Hold on. It's just my income here. It's just my income. I can't afford another goat. I can't afford another goat.
It was just a suggestion.
I can't afford another goat.
Okay.
I really can't. Right? I have nothing. Anyways, on that note, all right, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
It went weird.